Hey, how's it going? What's good with it, homies? Today it's cold as fuck, but we got this hammer, which opens up this box. I don't know if you've ever opened up a box before, but sometimes there's warmth inside. So we got 2 of these bad bitties.
For the price of 1 infrared one. And these look way more industrial.
Yeah, might suck, but they look sick. Ooh, what's this? Oh, we get to use tools. I need a screwdriver.
Michaela's here also.
Oh yeah.
Hi, I'm here.
She done been here.
It's Christmas time.
I've done been here a long time.
She done been here a long time. It's Christmas time almost, so that means we make the family happen. So we've been trying for a family. It's been an awkward time at the house.
Kat and I have been really striving. We could have our baby showers together.
What if your babies fall in love and then we become related? This is the only thing I've fixed all week. And I've worked on a lot of shit this week. I'm so excited to have heat in this shop, dude.
I know.
And it's not even from propane that's gonna kill us.
That's like the best part.
Yeah, it's being warm and remembering it. I hope.
Let's test this hand.
Yeah, I hope. Ooh, it just fucking falls.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
Fucking fan up on the heat section setting. Ooh, it smells like electric heat.
Yep.
It's already hot in here. Turn it down.
Let's circulate the Corolla. Should I put this inside the Corolla? We're gonna be doing a little bit of work inside here, so.
We went to the mall today to get a family photo taken because I think it'd be funny.
But then they said, you guys ain't a family, get out of here.
Yeah, come back tomorrow when you're married. So we're going back tomorrow.
Getting married tonight.
Yeah, we're on our way to the courthouse after this.
I'm marrying Kat. And
Guess that leaves me with DJ.
did that pumpkin spice detail spray actually smell like pumpkin
Oh, it
spice?
smells so good.
Here, I just will open it and smell it.
Yeah, can I keep open?
It smells really
It
good.
smells great.
Super
But we're not
fall-y.
sponsored by this company, so don't talk about it.
I mean, I like this smell of this one better.
Okay, but honestly, smell this one.
Oh yeah, that one's sick.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, it literally sounded just like that.
Alright, what's the word?
Bird.
Going to Harbor Freight to get tape for an extra special double surprise that is probably in the title.
Should I ball out on the Gorilla Tape or just...
I already grabbed that one.
If this doesn't hold it up, we got humans to hold it up.
I like this.
I like this. I feel like this is a Billie Eilish prop. Like,
Oh yeah, it's all neon.
Well, the reason that we went to the store where the freights are harbored into is to get tape for...
Installing our new body kit on the Corolla.
Look at that.
A lot of people will know of this kit. A lot of people probably won't. It's an N2 kit, which was like a faction of racing back in the day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, a lot of the Corollas that were racing in that division or whatever had these front and rear flares. It's gonna change the car like a lot, which is gonna be cool to just kind of like go a whole different route than it was in the first place. A lot of people were under the impression that we were gonna do metal fenders, but hey, I got these N2 kit, this N2 kit that I've been working on, and we'd like to send it over for your Corolla. So I was like, hell yeah. I've always like, I never thought I would put this kit on my car just cause like this is a straight up race car kit, but I was thinking this could be sick. So we're gonna get the paint job, and then I'm thinking, and I'm like talking with Mason about doing a whole like race livery on it. So yeah, it's gonna be sick. And I also want to try to figure out how we can fit the side skirts. Right now they won't fit because how drastically this changes the body line on each side. Either that or just dump the car like as low as I can get it. Maybe get 15 so I can get a lower profile tire. That's all up in the air right now. First we gotta mount the kit, and I want to do it properly this time with like rib nuts, and so I can just take the kit off whenever I want or whatever. Not do the whole just riveting everything on.
Half rivets, half cell toppers.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna try to do this proper because this is an ode to a really cool era of Corolla, and I'll put like some photos of old N2 Corollas on the screen for you guys to see, like what it looks like finished up. This is gonna be sick, and I'm super excited for it. We'll have a link to Fineline's website if you want to check it out. They have like kits for a lot of cool drift cars. So
far, I mean, obviously we haven't like fully mounted it yet, but it seems...
It's beautifully sitting in all of these.
Yeah, all the crevices and everything seem to be like, I mean, that's our fault, like, but then it doesn't line up there. But like, it seems like it's gonna fit amazing. And then the offset, like, and everything on these wheels are gonna be really close. Obviously there'll be a lot of tinkering to get that perfect, but already like it's looking really good. We thought this might be way too wide, but that's not really the case.
Yeah. These wheels are 14 by 8.5, I think. Minus some sort of offset. But these are the only two wheels I have of that spec. These were both in the rear of the car before. So I'm either gonna have to get the same spec again for the front, or just get a whole different wheel. I was thinking about, like I said, getting 15 so I could get a lower profile tire, because these tires are like, on just the general market, is like the lowest profile tire you can get for 14s.
14s are kind of, a lot of people in the tiny wheel gang will know that 14-inch tires are a little rough when it comes to pickings.
Yeah. This kit is also designed for 15-inch wheels. The original N2 kits were designed for like 13-inch wheels. So yeah, that's it.
Super sick. Maybe get a few more shots.
Yeah, and it's, like I was saying, it's built for the front bumper that Fineline makes. So if you wanted to run this kit, you could get the kit and the front bumper, and it would all just work together. So it's really cool how this line like runs.
It's just straight back.
All the way
with the body line. So cool.
So yeah, super excited. I'm gonna start spending some money on this bad boy pretty soon. Really excited to paint it. We've been waiting for that. Everyone's been waiting for that for a long time.
Shit's finally starting to happen with this thing.
Yeah, and we're also gonna pull out the carpet today real quick.
Yeah, the carpet in this car, a lot of you will have seen the devastation, the tragedy that was our first installation video. Got a lot of flack on that, but we knew we would. We didn't really give a shit because we'd never installed carpet before. We didn't look up how to do it. We just went, fuck it, let's do it. Just cut some holes, bro.
Like that's just that.
That's just how that takes forever. So yeah, we'll take out the seats.
And then just kind of gently lift it out, I'm sure is how it's gonna
take
go.
about 2 minutes to do this.
Like they would split us up into groups, and we'd all be in a line, and you'd be like jogging, and then the person from the back has to sprint to the front and keep your eyes jogging the entire time.
Whatever.
Well, that's the only thing holding this in, so it's... Just kidding.
You think those Derek heaters are working?
I think they're working. It's just a big shop, big cold shop with a concrete floor, you know? No insulation at all. I think we'll probably have to just, like wherever you're working, just point it directly at that.
Here's another example of how shittily our job was. Shittily done. It's just, yeah. It looks good from afar, but it's not good. I think this was like super glued here.
What you use this sock for, huh?
You don't want to put that on my feet.
Bro, what the fuck? You put socks on your feet? You got a foot fetish? Oh, shit.
More quarters. How many monies have we found so far?
$2. This door doesn't open, so that's kind of
I'd be
funny.
leaning.
Yeah, Quinn's leaned up. Thanks. This one's got all four of them.
Hey, passenger be seated.
See, I first saw this, I knew it was going to be mismatched hardware. It's completely different sizes and shit.
Yeah, these ones seem pretty good. Not crazy fucked.
Just regular fucked. Dude, you remember the road trip where I fingered this?
Yeah. Man, we drove across the whole fucking country in this car.
Yeah, I can't believe it.
That's insane.
Nah, this little boy's trusty.
Yeah, she is trusty.
No, I said crusty.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Now we got seats for the shop.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta pull out the back seats now.
Yeah, and these.
Cat, come look at how terribly done.
Oh yeah, give us a review based on someone who installed their own carpet.
I remember when you guys put this carpet in 4 years ago.
Me too.
Yeah, that's not very good. This is where my one semester of art school comes in handy, even though I studied drawing.
You didn't study installing carpets?
You didn't study rug?
This will be fun to do though.
I studied rug in college.
I majored in Persian rugs.
Whoa.
That's a sick major.
With a minor in shag.
Alright, we got one seatbelt out.
How'd you get that in there again?
Super glue.
Oh, we glued it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. This is one of the many times I wish I could go,
We
go
glued
back
it
in time
and
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 smack
you
myself.
tacked it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so you can just rip it out.
Oh, a quarter
Oh,
and
there's
a
a shirt. What the
This is sound deadening.
I love that shirt.
Yeah, you
That's
better.
the shirt.
Oh my god, I met
I
Quentin
met you
in that
in-
shirt.
Wow.
That's really cute. This car is a time capsule.
He was keeping it safe.
I met Quentin in that
This
shirt.
is a pretty cool shirt.
Wow.
Oh, there's a big belly button hole.
This one can be called waxing the 86's push puss.
Yeah?
Yeah, because she's ripping it like a waxing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, DJ, we're gonna have to open this door to get the carpet out.
yeah. Oh, fuck.
It needs to be unlocked with a key.
There's no keyhole.
Oh, yeah. Do you wanna grab some pliers?
Oh.
a battery for the old camera we had 10 years ago.
Oh, that'll work in my A7.
Whoever wants to rip and tear.
I'm here for the ripping and the tearing. The ripping and the tearing. The ripping and the tearing. Have you guys seen that ripping and tearing video? I come here for the wild ladies and the crazy nights or some shit like that. He's like, the ripping and the tearing. The ripping and the tearing. And he's just like wearing a Speedo and he's like at the pool just like dancing and jiving around and stuff.
Alright, ripper and tear.
Here we go.
Get up in there.
Got it.
Oh, fuck, my eyes. We finally did it. We finally waxed the 86's push bush.
We did. Thanks to Michaela for the joke.
She's ready for the summertime.
She's ready. Her first Brazilian.
Just found this in the gutters of Corolla hell. It's a little...
Let me hold it so I can focus on
this way.
In the same room.
If you guys know Rainier, they come with...
Like we almost like
Excuse me?
witness each other.
Every Rainier bottle comes with a bottle cap. And on the bottom... on the bottom of
Is that fucking so, Quinn?
on the bottom of the bottle cap is a little riddle. And I just pulled this one out of here. So let's see if we can get it. Did you focus on it?
Yeah, for a sec. Let's see. I think it says, tree can save hat the cane. The classic saying, tree can save hat the cane.
You can say that again.
Wait.
That's what it is.
Damn, I was
can
really
say
close.
hat cane. You can say that again.
Damn.
You were close.
That was amazing. I've never seen it sell that fast. Usually it takes us 3 weeks in a Google search.
Corolla is stripped of its carpet. It's got a new kit getting ready to get on, but we're probably gonna finish sanding it up before we put the kit on. Yeah, we should get the kit on before we paint it.
No. Yeah. Well, I don't know.
We should get the kit on
and then take it off and paint it separately. Okay.
and that'll work well with the
Rip nuts.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Good thing.
Perfect. What do you guys think?
We're just over here being quiet.
Quinn's trying to see how much money we got out of this whole ordeal in loose change.
Trying to recoup as much as possible.
How much you got so far?
95 cents.
Damn, that's crazy.
Ooh! 1, 250, 280.
Bro, you're halfway to a beam swap.
Let's try to get 3.
We can probably recycle this. Oh, that's a self-tapper.
There's a whole ass phone in here.
Oh, what the fuck? That's fun.
Okay. Yeah, and we got one of these. This is probably worth like $1. So
Yeah, so there you go. Perfect.
we just wanted to do some work to the Corolla and show you guys the new kit and make some content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got some cool plans with the ladies over here for a couple other videos.
Dude. Wait, for videos?
Yeah, I mean, you know the kind of video I'm talking about.
Yeah,
you guys probably won't see it, but
only the patrons.
only the patrons. Big thanks to come to on the Corolla.
Yeah.
Insurance man came out. A little update on the Skyline.
Oh yeah, this is big.
Yeah, he totaled it. Said, "Sorry man, this shit's totaled." And then he's like telling me about how cool it is, and he's like, "Wow, this car's cool. I've never seen this. It's fun to work on, like not your average Prius that gets in the accident every day." So he's like, "I can tell you right now that you're sitting pretty because I've got a good number for you." Hyped on that.
Yeah, that's.
We're gonna get some good stuff out of the Skyline. I'm gonna buy it back. That's hopefully is what's gonna happen, and then turn that into a drift car probably, or just see what kind of magic we can work on it. What kind of magic Charles can work on it.
Yeah, true. We'll hopefully be able to make the best out of a really shitty situation.
Yeah.
But yeah, things are not looking too terrible.
Nope. Yeah, also just super excited about the Corolla because I'm going to get a beams and everything. We're going to get it painted and looking pretty. And then we're going to pull the motor out and get it looking ugly again for a little while. But yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you guys for watching and supporting us and buying our merch and subscribing to our Patreon, which we'll have in our links in the description of this video, as well as like our merchandise and stuff. Anything you want to say, DJ?
I love you.
Anything you guys want to say?
Love this.
thanks to the patrons. We're about to list them right here. Also, shout out to Jeff Jarman for the song that we use, and a little insight on Jeff's whole situation. He's forming a band right now, so.
If you liked our outro song, bro, there's more where that's about to come from.
In the future, we'll probably be using some of their produced music, and we'll have you guys go check out their band when it becomes an actual thing. But also, they have a band.
Yeah, check out Click Girl on SoundCloud.
Click Girl.
It sounds stimulating.
Truly was.
Ice cream paint on my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo up count. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple new rack mounts, so I can put some racks on my racks. Watch me ball out. Money nose kid with